In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the outer tie rods on this Honda Accord. They're located right behind your front wheel, and you do need an alignment after this job is done, so keep that in mind. Let's get started. Use a 19mm socket, remove all 5 lug nuts, and then remove the wheel. Let's loosen up the jam nut between the inner and the outer tie rods so we can loosen these up. This is a 24mm jam nut, so use a wrench and break this free. Okay. Now sometimes for this, you may need to use some heat if this is stuck. That's all you want to turn it. Don't go too far with it. Now we can work on the other end. Use a 19mm socket to remove this nut off of the tie rod stud. Now if yours has a cotter pin, you're going to want to remove that first. Ours did not. Now use a hammer, tap the side of the knuckle. That should pop the tie rod free. There it is. Count the amount of turns it takes to remove the outer tie rod so that when we put it back, we can get close to a good alignment. Now, like I said, you still need to get your vehicle aligned after this, but at least the wheels will be somewhat parallel. 17 turns for me, but for you it's going to be different most likely. There's the outer tie rod. Take the outer tie rod, apply a little bit of anti-seize on the inside. Now put it back the same amount of turns that it took to remove it. Now let's install the tie rod back in the knuckle. Push it through, start on the mounting nut, and snug it up. 40 foot-pounds is the torque for this mounting nut. There's no cotter pin on this one. If yours had a cotter pin instead of a locking nut, install the cotter pin at this point. Bring the jam nut closer, and once it touches the outer tie rod, snug it up. All right, just give it a good snug. Now this will have to be loosened up again by your alignment professional. So as long as you make it tight, that should be plenty. And then I straightened out the tie rod so it doesn't sit at an angle on the knuckle. Let's get the wheel on. Start on all 5 lug nuts in a cross pattern, bottom them out, and also in a cross pattern, torque them to 79 foot-pounds. "79 foot-pounds in a cross pattern, here we go. Double check them all. Now take it for a road test, and don't forget to get an alignment.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.